Come back. Now we try example 2.53. 8p plus 3 times p minus 12 is greater than 7p minus 28. You want to solve this inequality, graph the solution on number line and write the solution in interval notation. All right, so you have the question here. You have the inequality. Simplify the left, simplify the right. 8p plus 3 times p minus 3 times 12 greater than. Notice the right hand side cannot be simplified anymore because these are unlike terms. So leave them as they are. Combine like terms here. 8p plus 3p. 11p minus 36 is greater than 7p minus 28. At this point, I notice that I have a variable here and a variable here on opposite sides of greater than. So get the 7p here by subtracting 7p. That's positive 7p, so minus 7p on both sides. So 7p minus 11p minus 7p is 4p. Minus 36 is greater than 7p minus 7p cancel, negative 28. Now I can isolate the minus 36. I can move the negative 36 to the other side by adding 36 to both sides. So I have 4p minus 36 plus 36 cancel, greater than. Negative 28 plus 36 is positive 8. This tells me to solve for the variable p, I divide both sides by 4. Alright, so 4's cancel, I'm left with p greater than 2. How do I graph this? Somewhere here is 2. It is not equal to, so it's an open point. P is greater than 2, so P is to the right of 2. Okay, and it goes on forever. So, oops. Okay, so the solution set is equal to, start from off your graph, the leftmost point is 2 and it's excluded, so it's parenthesis 2. Rightmost there is no point, so it's infinity open. Okay, let's do a similar problem. 2.105. Okay, what's the question? Same thing. Solve this inequality. 9y plus 2 times y plus 6 greater than 5y minus 24. Simplify the left, simplify the right. The left, I can distribute the 2. 9y plus 2y plus 12 greater than 5y minus 24. 9y plus 2y is 11y plus 12 is greater than 5y minus 24. At this point, you want to get the y's together. So subtract 5y from both sides. 11y minus 5y is 6y. plus 12 is greater than 5y minus 5y cancel, negative 24. Now move the plus 12 to the other side by subtracting 12. Plus 12 minus 12 cancel, 6y is greater than negative 24 minus 12 is negative 36. Last step, divide both sides by 6. That's a positive number, no change in inequality. So 6y divided by 6 greater than negative 36 over 6. So y is greater than negative 6. Now we are ready to graph. Okay. So negative 6 is somewhere here. Y is greater, so it's not equal, and it is greater, so you are to the left of, to the right of it. All right, so that gets me the solution set. Start off your graph, start from the leftmost point. That's negative 6, which is not included, so it's parenthesis. Rightmost, there is no point, it's infinity, so that's open. Let's try one more example. .106. Okay, 6u plus 8 parenthesis u minus 1 is greater than 10u plus 32. So this is 6u plus, distribute 8u minus 8 is greater than 10u plus 32. 6u plus 8u is 14u minus 8 is greater than 10u plus 32. Let me bring 10u to the left hand side by subtracting it. Subtract 10u. 14u minus 10u is 4u. Negative minus 8 is greater than 10u minus 10u cancels. At this point, you can get rid of that negative 8 by adding 8 to both sides. Add 8 to both sides. These two cancel, you are left with 4u greater than 40. Lastly, divide both sides by 4. Remember, 4 is a positive number, so no change in inequality. This tells me u is greater than 10. Once you have this, you can draw its graph. Okay. Somewhere here is 10. Exclude 10 because it's greater than, and then go to the right. Okay, so that's that. Solution set is, look at the set, you're starting from left handmost point, it is excluded, so it's in parenthesis. Right handmost side is, there's no point, so it's infinity, which is always open. Solution set means every number here solves your inequality. Okay, let's continue in our next video.